Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fatrehan Fabian. I am from class management 23A. Here I will explain about forecasting. And the first materi, the importance of forecasting in operation and business. Forecasting as basis for production and financial planning and reduce uncertainty and precision making risk and use to determine capacity and inventory and revenue target. And explanation, in the competitive business environment, decision cannot rely solely on intuition or gut feeling. Forecasting acts as a tool and anticipate the future rational using historical data and trend analysis in operation, and forecasting help determine how much to produce to avoid overstock and stock out. In the business, it helps with budgeting and sales target and expansion planning. Without proper forecasting, a company is like navigation without a map. And that's why major companies like Indomie, Tokopedia, and Amazon rely on forecasting as a strategic weapon and guide future action. And the next materi, of forecasting: qualitative, Delphi market survey and scenario planning, and qualitative, time series and casual or econometric, and hybrid approach often use a particle. And explanation, forecasting is general divided in qualitative and qualitative, and method qualitative method does not primarily rely on number but on expert opinion and market insight and our future scenario. For example, the Delphi method and general prediction from multiple experts for two from collective and concerted qualitative method, and on other hand, historical data and statistical models such as moving average regression or artificial intelligence. And in practice, companies often combine both. For example, past sales data in analysis qualitative then adjust with qualitative insight, and like social trend regulation and development, this hybrid approach production forecast and that more realistic and reliable. And the next materi, professional forecasting process time, and define forecasting objective and collect and clean data and cost the approach method and the accuracy research and need. And example, forecasting cannot be done haphazardly, and systematic process ensure reliable and result first define the purpose feature in the production volume, inventory planning or marketing target second, and collect historical data and remove anomalies or noise. Third, choose the right method based on data pattern. For several pattern, moving average may suffice for trend, seasonality, experience, matching, and regression work better finally, and evaluate and accuracy using interrogation like maybe or match. If accuracy is low, adjust the model unit till forecast in stable enough decision making. And the next materi, time series method, moving average, weight, and exponential smoothing. And moving average for stable pattern, and weight average give more weight to recent data, and exponential smoothing for response forecasting. And explanation, time series methods are popular because they are simple yet responsibility accurate if the data pattern is stable, and moving average calculates the average of previous periods and suitable for stable demand, while moving average is similar but aside greater importance to reach data for adaptability. Exponential smoothing is highly responsive using exponential weight show the sudden demand and speed, and immediately reflect in the forecast. Manufacturing and retail company often use method for daily, weekly, and inventory planning because they are simple than a creation model. And the next material, casual or economic metric method regression and lending introduced. And linear regression to examine relationship between variable and lending indication as rally signal and business trend and use economic and financial forecasting. And explanation, unlike time series with only examine past pattern, casual model aim to explain why something happen. Linear regression analysis how independent variable like price or promotion affect dependent variables such as volume. For example, if promotion increased by 9%, how much sales increase in by predict lending in decal in like consumer index in first research are used forecast more economy activity. This method in the particularly and used for long-term planning. And the next material, qualitative method, Delphi market research and scenario planning. And Delphi for expert consumers and market research to detect consumer behavior and scenario planning for uncertain future condition. And not all factors can forecast numerically, and for highly dynamic aspects like consumer preference and regulation impact, qualitative and method are more scalable and Delphi novel several and expert providing opening anomaly over several rounds from natural forecast and market research such as survey for focus group directly and gather consumer insight and scenario planning prefer companies for uncertainty like during and pandemic by developing optimist method and pessimist scenario simulation. And the next material, forecasting in production and inventory and used for aggressive planning and MRP and avoid overstock and stock out and helps schedule and capacity and workforce. And explanation in the operation and production forecasting for fundamental for aggressive planning with planned production volume for medium term in demand forecast indicate significant increase. The company must scale and capacity early to avoid fair over and forecasting is also use material recruitment planning MRP to calculate and how much raw material to order pre-order and to prevent and production delay activity forecasting reduce storage cost and prevent store hack and instrument machine and chamber and optimally isolate without waste. And the next material, forecasting in sales and finance and used for budgeting and revenue target and determine promotion and distribution strategy and support and expansion of efficiency decision. And in business forecasting is not just factory in crucial in market and finance and matching its use plan sales budgets and sell monthly revenue target and adjust promotional strategy based project demand. For example, for forecast predict and drop demand critical month the company wide respond with discount and product banding. And finance forecasting predict future and from inform wager and company can expect we shall consider without forecasting business decision rally with rather than conclusion. Next material, measuring forecasting accuracy, map and tracking signal and map to see average error and map and to measure percent definition and tracking signal to defect forecasting bias. And explanation, no forecast is accurate, but we can demand if reliable enough for decision making. Main absolute definition and measure the average absolute difference between an forecast and actual value. The smaller and the better measurement actual present error and express error and as project sustainable and for comparing forecasting performance tracking and signal clock and weather forecasts are constantly biased and too high or too low, and biased decision managers should adjust methods or parameter immediately. And the last materi conclusion. For real-world example, and Amazon use artificial intelligence based forecasting to position stock, color, and customer before they order, and enabling and someday or even same-hour delivery in Indonesia. In Indomie applies daily demand forecasting to plan production qualitative and prevent overstock. And from the global and local example, it's clear and forecasting not just future analysis, it from the foundation all operational and business planning activity company mastering forecasting always stay and one sleep ahead of competitor relying on West institution.